To insert SIM card in Motorola Edge 50 Neo, first we'll need to grab our phone, then look on the bottom side of it, and here you can find the SIM tray. Now grab something like SIM ejection tool and stick it in the gap right here, push it open, then release the slot, and now to insert the card we'll need to have micro or a nano SD card. Actually it's nano, not micro, and then align it with the slot like this. Also make it, just push it inside like that, and then put it in facing the tray on your SIM card upwards to the screen like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.